To get started, my name is Madhu. I'm the trainer for this manual testing class. I'm not sure whether you received this class schedule or not. Have you received this class schedule? In case if you didn't receive this one, please let me know. Did you receive this class schedule? About fast track, normal track, these kind of details. You guys received this or no? No? Okay. I will send you this schedule. Whoever did not receive this one, in general, people, everybody, I receive this. I will send this in advance. Please let me know in case if you didn't receive. However, I will send you this class schedule to everybody. Okay, please go through this schedule. I have given, this is the fast track. All of you are aware of this is the fast track and normal track. I will come back to this one. Please study this schedule for 1 minute. I will scroll down this one. This is a normal track. Please study this for a couple of seconds. For a normal track, your course will complete on 13th August. 13th August is the end date of the course. Okay. Initially, you will be undergoing manual testing classes, later basics and advanced QTP training classes. If you are in a fast track, your course end date would be 9th July. I will send you this schedule to everybody who are all here in the class again after the class. Sometimes my email will go to the spam folder. Please check your spam folder also. In case if you didn't receive my email within 1 hour of the class, please send me a reminder mail saying that, hey Madhu, I didn't receive the email. If you send me that email, I will be able to resend you the mail. Here, this is the start date of both fast track and normal track. Both classes are started on the same day. Same class holds good for fast track and normal track. If you see this timetable, you will come to know. You will understand clearly. Please study this timetable, whatever I will send you, then you will be good. Okay, let me introduce about myself. I will not take much time from you about my explanation. I am the trainer for this manual testing and quality center class. My name is Madhu, and I am a mechanical engineer. That means non-IT background, just like many of you guys. To move from non-IT background to IT background, I struggled a lot. I spent a lot of time for study purpose. Hey, anybody can do software testing course. No, that is not right. That is incorrect understanding. If somebody says that software testing is very easy one, no, they are misleading you. Your friends or relatives are misleading you. It is an incorrect assumption. Software testing is not easy. It is not easy to get into that job, but at the same time, it is doable. It is not a rocket science. Yes, how to make it work for us, to work as a software tester. We will discuss those kind of details in today's class. This is not a class. I can say that this is an orientation session. Many of your questions will be answered in this class today. I know that a lot of questions are there for you. All questions will be answered automatically. You need not to ask me any question now here in the class. You see, just wait till end of this class. Everything will be answered. If any question is not answered, automatically, that means that the question is specific to you only. So you call me tomorrow for one-on-one consultation to get your doubts clarification. Okay. So if the question is only specific to you, don't ask me here in this class. Okay. Personal questions, I will not answer any personal questions here in this class. If you feel that that question is not appropriate to ask in the class, call me tomorrow. Weekends, Saturday, Sunday also I am available to answer your query. Okay, so I also did PG Diploma in Management, Software Quality Management course from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Project Management and Communication course from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. These are all my educational qualifications, but to survive in industry, I did multiple IT-related certifications. One of the certification is that, Certified Software Test Engineer, CSTE, from Quality Assurance Institute, and ITL, IT Infrastructure Library Certification, QTP certification, PMP certification from Project Management Institute. I was signed on 6 Sigma Green Belt. These are all my certifications. Those are all, those certifications helps me to enhance my knowledge and stand in front row in the industry. Last 16 years I am working in software industry. I am doing a software testing job. I worked in India 6 years, USA 6 years, and Canada more than 4 years. This is my experience. I work in multiple domains like healthcare, banking, e-commerce, pharma, materials management, human resources, telecom, insurance, investment, finance, and energy. These are all the domains I have worked. In last 16 years, I conducted more than 200 batches for individuals and corporates on QA, BA, and PMP. Multiple courses are offered by me, and my overall teaching experience is 21 years, non-IT experience 2 years, and software testing experience is 16 years. This is about me. And now let us go to our course content. All of you are aware that this is a 5 weeks course, and we have 2 courses are there. One is that QA, that means manual testing course, and second one is that automation testing course. In this package, in this today's class package, these 2 are bundled together. We have some other courses like Selenium, SQL, BA, many other classes also available. But in this, I am talking about only this course. In this, we have QA, that means manual testing, quality center in and out in detail, and QTP basics and advanced will be there. Okay, here Mahendra is not able to hear. Please use those details in case Mahendra, if you are not able to hear. Sorry, Mahendra, you cannot hear, right? Okay. Please dial to that conference number. Okay, QA, we have manual testing, quality center, QTP, load runner, Unix, and SQL are part of the course. We have classes on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have manual testing classes, and automation testing classes. It includes advanced QTP, VB scripting are part of this automation testing. We have classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. No class on Tuesday. No Tuesday is rest. So we have 6 days a week. We have 2 tracks are there, normal track and fast track. Many of you guys are already aware. Normal track means, there is a 10 weeks duration is there, and we have classes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday as we discussed. After completion of the manual testing classes, you can attend the QTP basics and advanced classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Fast track means, every day you need to attend all the classes. That means, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Every day classes will be there. Okay. So what timings we have the classes? Every day we have classes on Friday at 9 p.m. 9 to 10:30 Eastern time. Now, in my classes, I always refer to Eastern time because, in this class, people are from different time zones, Central, Mountain, Pacific time, different time zones, people are there. So, please note that, if I am saying 9 means, I am referring to Eastern time, New York time. Okay. No need to register for a course, immediately. Wait for 1 week, then only register for the classes. Okay, audio. Every day I hear this kind of thing. I am not able to hear. If that is the case, please dial to the conference numbers. I sent you the conference numbers, right? Please dial to those conference numbers. Then you can be able to hear the audio. However, I will send you the running notes. In this running notes also, you have the conference numbers. Every day you will receive lot of material. I will dispatch the material through email. Through email I will send you, or you can also get the material by directly logging to Get Software Services website. I will show you how to log into the Get Software Services website. 1 second. Okay, just go to www.getsoftwareservices.com. I will send you detailed instructions. No need to write anything. Please not to write anything here. Okay, including the URLs and the procedure about how to log in. Everything I will send you. Okay, this is the website address, and here you click on register. To register, no need to pay. No need to pay just for registration. This registration is meant to access the recorded videos and material only. Okay, let me to click on register. Then it will ask you to enter your first name, last name, email, and a couple of details. That's it. Then click on register. Okay, once you register, please wait 8 hours to log into the website. That means till I will approve your registration within 8 hours. If you register now, I can be able to approve your registration by tomorrow morning. Okay, then tomorrow only you can be able to access the website. Okay, then next day when you try to click on login and enter your email ID. For example, you registered with your personal email ID. For example, this is my email ID, and I registered and click on login. Then I can be able to enter into the Get Software Services website. Okay, here you can view material and view videos also. For example, let me to click on view videos. What is there? As I said, every day the class will be recorded and uploaded here. All daily videos you can be able to download. Every day, all the videos you can find and download. And material also. If you click on view material, you can be able to view all the materials. You can download the material and use that as per your choice. Okay. So if you did not remember the procedure here, whatever I am explaining about registration, no need to worry. What you have to do is that just play back the recorded video. I am recording the video, right? I will send you today's video by email also. I will send today's class video by email. So it is not required to remember anything. If you forget something, just go back and play the recorded video. Okay, if you have any questions any day, please try to reach me at these numbers. I recommend you to dial to your local country's number, otherwise it is a charge. If you are in USA, you call to Canada number. or if you are in Canada, if you call to US number, it is chargeable. By the way, I'm in Toronto, Canada, who are just for your information. Or you can send me emails for any doubts clarification. What other services I can provide you? I can provide you a lot of homework every day. That means on one-on-one homework review, I will provide you. Today I will give you some homework. Okay. So what I will do is that I will ask you to complete the homework and send me by email. I can review that and I can set up meetings with you on one-on-one basis, and I will review the work done by you and tell you what areas you need to improve. Okay, objective is that to explain you what mistakes are there in the homework submitted by you. So please try to utilize this one. This is an excellent service. You will get hands-on experience. If you complete all the homework, whatever I will be giving you, the assignments, whatever I give you, if you do all those things, you will get very good experience. Okay, I will provide the remote lab access. That means from your home, you can remotely log into the lab and do the practicals. I will give you the lab access for Quality Center, Quick Test Professional. Now it is also called as Unified Functional Testing, UFT, and Unix. 3 labs I can provide you. These labs are available 24/7, 365 days. Even after completion of the course also, you can be able to access the lab. Okay, and at the end of the course, I help you with resume walkthrough. I'll tell you if any mistakes are there in the resume, how to rectify them. I will give you that kind of help. And mock interviews also I will conduct for you. Mock interviews means simulation of the actual interview. Try to utilize the service. And every day I will provide you recorded videos. All recorded videos are available in the website. And you can rejoin the classes multiple times. Not only in this month, next month, following month also, if required, you can rejoin the classes any number of times. And the resume marketing tips also I will provide you. And the placement assistance I can arrange for you, who are all in the USA, I can be able to get the client interviews for you. And on-job support, if you are stuck up at some location, I can be able to provide you the support in real time. Now, let us talk about job market. How is the job market? We have majority jobs in the manual testing. At least 85% jobs are there in the manual testing only. 1 second, guys. Yeah, majority jobs are there in the manual testing. Automation around 12 to 13% jobs are there. Performance testing, that means load runner tool. For example, load runner tool or some other tool available in performance testing, around 2 or 3%. Automation testing like QTP, Quick Test Professional, or UFT. This is also called as UFT now, Unified Functional Testing Tool, or some other tools like Selenium. All these tools are occupying around 13% of the market share. That depends on your interest, what type of job you want to go. I strongly recommend to go for manual testing jobs only in the beginning. Later, based on your skill, you can upgrade to QTP or Selenium. But, to work as a Selenium tester, you need to know Java. Java programming is must if you wanted to work as an automation tester. Oh, I don't want to learn Java. Then go to manual testing. Manual testing is easy to get into the market comparatively the development. Comparatively software development, manual testing is easy. But at the same time, testing is not easy. You need to face interviews. Very very tough interviews you will be facing down the line to clear the manual testing interview. I will give you a proper plan about how to utilize your time very effectively. Where to balance, what topics you need to stress more, This kind of information I will provide you in the classes. Okay, we will be learning many tools in the class also. The what tools we will be learning. Here we have many tools are there in the market for a test management. For test management purpose, we have tools like Quality Center, ClearQuest, QA Complete. So many tools are there. Just I have listed 2 or 3. There are more than 100 varieties of the tools are there. Oh, 100 tools just for test case management. How to learn? Impossible, right? It is not required to learn every tool available in the market. Let us learn the market leader. For example, Quality Center is a market leader for test management tooling. For test management purpose, Quality Center is the excellent tool. Let us learn or let us go with the market leader. All Fortune 500 companies are using the Quality Center. Or if you learn Quality Center, it is easy to learn any other tool available in the market. How it is possible? Okay, if you learn Quality Center, ClearQuest you can use in less than 5 minutes ramp up. If somebody explains you for 5 minutes, you can be able to use ClearQuest. That's all. How I can be able to learn, how I can be able to use ClearQuest in less than 5 minutes if I know Quality Center? It's very simple, Let me to give you some example. Driving. Driving is a concept, right? So you are the best driver and you are driving for so many years. You have valid driver's license. You have valid driver's license. You are expert driver, and currently you are driving Camry. Toyota Camry you are driving. Okay. Now, if I ask you to drive another brand car, like Honda Civic, are you able to drive Honda Civic? Yes, right? Do you face any problem to drive Civic? No. Reason? The driving concept you are already aware. Driving concept is important here. You are not worrying about the brand or make or model, you don't care. So initially to drive Civic, few minutes of the, ramp up is required. Once you get into the seat, you are good. You can be able to drive any model car. Right? Similarly, if you know Quality Center, you can easily work on ClearQuest or QA Complete or any other tool available in the market. There are hundreds of the tools available in the market. Same concept you can apply. So in our class we will learn Quality Center only. Defect tracking, yes, Quality Center we will be learning for defect tracking purpose. Functionality testing also, some same family, same family means Mercury family. Quality Center, QTP, Load Runner, these are all Mercury tools. Mercury company, there was a company called Mercury. There was a company, not now. This is no more available. Mercury company developed tools, Quality Center, QTP, and Load Runner. These 3 tools are developed by Mercury company, and this is called Mercury tools. These tools are very popular. Okay, so now Mercury is acquired by HP company in 2006. No more Mercury. Mercury is acquired by HP, so they are called HP tools now. But still in the market, they are called HP Mercury tools. We will be learning QTP. If you want to learn other tools, yes, you can learn other tools, but you need to know that particular language. As I said, if you want to learn Selenium, Java is required. If you want to learn QTP, VB scripting is required. Of course, whatever is the VB scripting part, we will be teaching in the class. You need not to worry about the VB scripting. Maximum 20 commands are there to work on the QTP. If you know 20 VBs from around 20 commands on VB scripting, QTP you can easily manage. No need to worry about full VB scripting. That's what in my classes I will explain you what areas you need to focus more. Focus more on those 20 commands only in the VB scripting. Then you can be able to work independently at our workplace in real time. Okay, another question normally you guys ask me is that, can I work as a QA? Am I eligible to work as a QA? Because I am from non-IT background. This is the question normally everybody asks me. I am from non-IT background. I am a slow learner, or I have a long gap in the education. After a long gap after education, I wanted to get into the field. Am I eligible because of my age? Will employer will accept me? These kind of questions many of you guys ask me all the time. Yes, my answer is that yes. As I said, I am also from non-IT background. Why I am telling this means to motivate you. Non-IT background people also can be able to get into software testing. Not only software testing, development, database, architect, any area you can be able to get in. Only thing is that do you have continuous learning attitude? Yes, we can do kind of attitude. Are you open to learn new technologies? Are you willing to update your skills continuously? If yes, you are eligible to work as a QA. That means software tester. If you have out-of-box thinking attitude, think something beyond the box. Come out of the barriers. Then only you can be able to work as a software tester. There is no qualification. Do you have common sense? If you have common sense, if you have good fault finding skills, yes, you can work as a software tester. It is nice to have formal graduation in IT or non-IT, but actually graduation is also not required. Many companies accept with high school diploma itself. Okay, I also recommend to do some certification at the end of the course, from a certification from Quality Assurance or ISTQB certification or HB certifications. We will discuss more about the certifications in our future classes. Down the line, I will explain you wherever it is required. Our ultimate goal is that to get the QA job, not the just course completion. Course anybody can complete, but what is our goal? Our goal is that to get into the workforce. How to get into the workforce? The best method is that referrals. If you know somebody, your family member or friends, relatives, anybody, if somebody refers your resume, it is easy to get the job. Referral means, you already completed 50% of the process. 50% of interview is completed. This is the best source. I don't know anybody in the IT field, I cannot get the referral. This kind of things normally people say in general to me. So if you have the wish, yes, definitely you can be able to find. Spread the news to your friends, relatives, saying that, yeah, you did a software testing course, and ask them to refer the resume. Then definitely you will be able to get some referral. Or don't worry, if somebody is not there, no problem, post your resume on online job portals, or directly apply for jobs by doing job search. I will give you some good websites where to post and where to search for jobs. I will give you the details. Or associate with some consulting companies. The disadvantage of associating with consulting companies is that this consulting company takes some margin from your earnings. Why we need to pay this to this guy? This is my hard-earned money. Why I need to pay to consulting company? It's not right, right? Right? It's not correct. No. These companies also managing the staff, paying rent and a lot of expenditure is there. They need to survive, right? So if you don't like to use their service, don't go through them, okay? Or you can directly apply it through online. Or if you are a new immigrant, you can get the help from the new immigrant help centers or directly apply to the companies in their websites. Okay, and now we are entering into the first day homework. First day homework, I did not explain you anything so far, but I am giving you day one homework. Okay, let me to explain you day one homework. SoftwareQATest.com. This is one of the good website for QA question and answers. Frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions 1, frequently asked questions 2, less frequently asked questions. Please go through all the question and answers. Maybe whenever you have the time, by tomorrow, nice to go through all the question and answers. You may not understand everything, no doubt, but write down the questions aside in a notebook. Please try to note down the questions. Then I will explain you the answer in case if that particular topic is not covered in our 5 weeks course. I am 100% sure that we will be covering everything. Everything, whatever is there, question and answer, we will be covering in our classes. So, as a warm-up session, it's a kind of warm-up exercise for you that, please go through this website. I can guarantee you that 50% of the questions in interview you will get from this website. I am giving you leaked question paper here. This question paper is leaked here for you. In our interview, whatever the question they ask, 50% guarantee from this website. So that's why what I am trying to tell you is that, please try to do the homework on a daily basis. If I give homework today, please try to work on that. Okay, then, let me to come back to that homework part again. Here, this is the running notes. I will be sending you this running notes to all of you guys after the class. This is the website name and phone number, email, everything is available. Okay, audio details I have given you. Okay, every day, please use the same link. Daily, please use the same link to log into the class. And I request you, all of you guys, to join at least 15 minutes before the scheduled time. Okay? So class will start at 9, right? If class starts at 9, if you try to join at 9:10, assume that you try to log into the class at 9:10 or 9:15. 9:15, due to some reason you are late and you are trying to log in at 9:15. Due to technical difficulties, you are not able to log in. What you will do then immediately you will try to call me. How I can attend your call? Because I am already in the class, right? I am already in the class, so I cannot be able to answer your call. So that's the reason I say that please join at least 15 minutes before the scheduled time. Then we can be able to start the class exactly at 9. I will start the class exactly at 9. There will not be any delay. And if you face any issues after 9, please call to 1-800 number. I will send you 1-800 number of GoToMeeting. After 9 o'clock, if you try to log in, if you face any issues, please call to 1-800 number of GoToMeeting. Okay, maybe after this class, I will give you the, please call GoToMeeting CSR. What is the CSR? Customer service representative. If you face any issues to log into class after 9 p.m. Okay. Phone number. Phone number? What is the GoToMeeting phone number? I don't know. In general, if I am not aware of something, I ask my God. Who is my God? Who is your God? Google. Google is our God. Okay. Go to meeting. Customer service number. Okay. 188-646. This is the number. Oh, no. Okay, that would be 24/7. Okay. Thank you for hand. Oh, we found a bug here today. What is the bug? Sometimes Google God not found. You see, the page is not found. Okay. You see, because of that issue, webcam return troubleshooting, technical, GoToMeeting, get going with GoToMeeting. Okay, no problem. I will update the correct phone number there, and I will send you. This running notes I will send you at the end of our discussion. Okay. Use landline and dial to conference number for better audio. Okay, and every day I will send you running notes and recorded sessions, right? So please check your spam folder every day after the class. If my email is not there, send me a reminder mail. Okay, manual testing. Let us recap. Manual testing is 5 weeks, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 9 to 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be discussing manual testing concept, QC, basics of QTP, basics of load runner, introduction to Unix. Say that performance testing. Quality Center is in shortcut called QTP, Quick Test Professional. That means QTP. Now it is also called as UFT. That means Unified Functional Testing. Just the name of the tool is changed. QTP and UFT are same. There is no difference between QTP and UFT. QTP and UFT, there is no difference. Just a name change. Bombay was renamed as Mumbai, right? Bombay and Mumbai cities are same. Just a name change. Similarly, QTP and UFT are same. There is no change. These items will be discussed in 5 weeks of our class. If you want more details, just go through this link. If you click on the link, it will open the course content. In exact course content, you can find that in this page. You can go through that one. And advanced QTP is 5 weeks. Basics of QTP or UFT. VB scripting, advanced QTP, integration of QTP and quality center, descriptive programming. Many topics are there. Just please go through this link for detailed topics of the QTP class. Okay. Okay, some reference books. I will send you a lot of material. In addition to that, if you wanted to know some reference books, I recommend you to go through this book, Software Engineering, a Practitioner Approach by Rogers Pressman. Okay, this is one of the good book, and if you want, you can buy this book in Amazon.com, or this is also available in library. In your county library or city library also it is available, or you can buy from used books website biblio.com, or you can refer some material given by Quality Assurance Institute or ISTQB material also. If you want, just go through these websites about Quality Assurance Institute, ISTQB. These are all very good websites, and those organizations are serving software testing community a lot. Many companies get the consulting service from Quality Assurance Institute. This is recognized throughout the world. QAI and ISTQB are recognized organizations throughout the world. Okay, for SQL, the recommended website is w3schools.com. You are required to learn basics of the SQL. No need to write some complex queries. SQL is must. SQL is must for all software testers. Without SQL, don't expect a job. If you are a software tester, SQL basics are compulsory. Okay, if you want to brush up your SQL skill, just please learn everything, whatever is available here in the left side. Oh, some of you guys say, I never gone through SQL. No need to worry. It is not mandatory to have the SQL in this class. After this class, if you are interested, you can go through separate course on SQL. SQL, just I wanted to make it clear to you guys once again, if no SQL skill, you cannot be able to get the job. SQL is mandatory. Okay, the next question is that how many hours I need to study? Minimum 200 hours. My estimation is that minimum 200 hours you need to study. 200 hours study, oh, it's a lot. Yes. Actually, in our academics, how many subjects you studied? In our graduation, per year, how many subjects you studied? I think more than 10 subjects, right? All of you guys studied minimum 10 subjects per year in our graduation. You spent so many hours, right? So actually 200 hours is nothing but your one subject in our graduation, not more than one subject in our graduation. How much effort you spent to pass one subject in our graduation? Spend that much of time, not more than that. That means this is equal to, this 200 hours time is equal to one subject pass effort. Okay, so let me to show you one study plan. I will send that study plan to all of you guys after this class. No need to note down anything. Study guide or study plan I am opening. Okay, this is the study plan given by me. How many number of hours I am asking you to study? 200 hours. Okay, great. Now, I am asking you to log the log the study hours. How many number of study hours you studied? I am asking you to log here. For example, SDLC you studied 2 hours. Okay, log here. Types of testing. I asked you to study 10 hours, but you studied 3 only. Okay, log here. Okay, QTP. I asked you to study 18 hours, you studied 1 hour. Quality Center 4 hours. Total how many hours you studied? 10 hours only. 10 hours you studied out of 200 hours required study. If I go to interview now, I studied only 10 hours. I studied 10 hours only. I'm facing interview. Can I get the job? Is it possible for me to get the job? No, right? It's impossible. Because, I am not meeting the criteria. I am not meeting the minimum study criteria. So, I will not get the job. That is known to everybody. So, if you are not able to spend 2 hours of the study, this course is not appropriate for you. I know that, you have many commitments, you need to, you are working. Many of you guys are working daytime, or, due to kids, you are not able to concentrate, Still, to achieve the goal, you must be committed to complete this 200 hours of the course. 200 of study. If you are unable to spend 200 hours, don't continue in these classes. It is not required. If you spend few hours and if you say that I am not able to concentrate, you are wasting your time and money. That is up to you to take a decision. Plan accordingly. Let me ask you a question. I am studying 1 hour per day. 1 hour per day I am studying. In how many days I can be able to complete this 200 hour study? Any answer from anybody? I am spending 1 hour per day. How many days I can finish? 200 days, right? Perfect. Theoretically 200 days is correct. But practically, I can never, impossible for me to complete this course. Reason? For example, January 1st, I started. January 1st is my day 1. Day 1, I studied for 1 hour, okay? And when is my 200 days? Actually, theoretically, July 20th, right? July 20th is my 200th day, okay? Okay, great. I studied 1 day, 1 hour. So, total 200 hours completed. But, can I remember whatever I studied on January 1st? On July 20th? On July 20th, is it possible to remember? No. It is impossible, right? Impossible. Then what I have to do? What is the plan? What is the plan to study? Spend minimum 4 to 5 hours per day. 4 to 5 hours per day. Oh, I'm not possible for me because I'm working daytime. I cannot be able to spend 4 to 5 hours per day. Okay. No, not a problem. Now 4 to 5 hours you are not able to spend. Then spend 25 hours per week. 25 hours per week. Can you able to spend? Yeah, maybe possible by adjusting, Saturday, Sunday lifestyle. I can be able to manage this one. 25 hours per day, per week. Great. 25 hours per week. So how many weeks I can be able to complete study if I spend 25 hours per week? 25 hours per week if I study, in 8 weeks I can complete my study. Wow, it's very good number. I love this number. 8 weeks number is excellent. In your academics, did you study more than 8 weeks any subject? Anybody? Anybody studied more than 8 weeks? Anybody in your academics? For past purpose? No, right? We study only last 2 months. So any exam, it is proven that as per my experience, any examination or any target, if you concentrate for 8 weeks, you can be able to hit the goal. If you have, you know, a 7 months or 8 months plan, you cannot be able to complete that course. If it is a 1 year plan, no, impossible. So what I'm trying to tell you is that adjust your working hours or lifestyle to make sure that you are able to study all the 200 hours. Every day I will give you a lot of homework, right? So please try to do the homework also as per the instructions I give. However, you know, if you are not able to do this kind of, if you are not able to follow my instructions in this batch, no problem. You can repeat this course again in the next batch also. No, any number of times you can repeat the course. Okay, this is about study plan. Any question about study plan, anybody? Okay, now let us talk about dollars discussion. How much money I can get if I work as a software tester? No, this is one of the key questions you would have inquired already. If you are a green card holder or a permanent resident, or that may or citizen, or if you have employment authorization document, you will have with 5 years of the experience. Now for full timers can get at least $70,000 per year. $70,000 per year plus paid vacation, 401k plan, retirement plan in USA. In Canada it is RRSP, sick leave, health insurance, life insurance, tuition fee refund, these kind of benefits you will get. If you are on a contract, at least $40 to $45 per hour, no benefits. Okay, and if you are applying for a automation tester job, automation tester, full timer can expect $80K per year. If you are on contract, 50 to 55 per hour. QTP, QTP automation tester I am talking. With Selenium, full-time job $90K per year, and a contract $65 to $70 per hour. If anybody wanted to, if Canada citizens wanted to work in USA, TN visa is required, I will help you with that one. Whether you are working in manual testing on automation, it is nice to have a certification. What is meant by certification? It is a benchmark for your knowledge. Your skill set can be assessed with the help of certification. Certification is not mandatory. Please note that certification is not mandatory, but with the help of certification, we can measure your knowledge. Knowledge is power. I strongly recommend to do certifications from Quality Assurance Institute or ISTQB. If anybody need any advice about certifications, you can contact me tomorrow. I can be able to explain you separately. You can write the certification in Prometric Center. Go to Prometric Center and register for test, pay the fee to those guys. Then you can be able to write certification on manual or QTP or Quality Center. Okay. Let us talk about who have more number of jobs, developers or testers. Let us discuss this one. Who have more number of jobs, developers or testers? I say that development jobs quantity is more, but opportunities are less. What is that? Development jobs quantity is more comparatively testers. Okay, let me to give you one example. Developers versus testers. I will send this every file, whatever I open here, all files will be dispatched to you through email. No need to write anything. Okay. Let us discuss some information here. Assume that I am living in postal code 19406, city name King of Prussia. Okay. Oh, King of Prussia, yes, it's a city name. It is not actual king. City name is King of Prussia in Pennsylvania state. Okay. King of Prussia. In this city, there are many companies are there. I found that 4 major companies are there. Company A, Company B, Company C, Company D. Company A is on Java. Java is concentrating on Java programming, and it's a banking domain. .NET company is insurance domain handled by Company B. And Company C is using mainframes and investment company. Company D is using SAP and manufacturing company. Okay, it is observed that there are 100 developer jobs are there in Company A. And what skill set is required to work as a developer? Java and SQL. Great. Company B also has 100 jobs are there, and they are expecting .NET skill from the developers. Similarly, Company C 100 jobs are there. COBOL language is expected here from the developer. Company D 100 jobs are there. ABAP language is expected here from the developers. Now, one of my friends is a Java developer, very good Java developer. My friend is Java developer. He has own home in King of Prussia city, and my friend applied for developer position in Company A. Company A developer position he applied. My friend failed in the interview. Can he apply for any other company in this city? Is it possible for my friend to apply for other companies in the city? You don't want to relocate because of own home. My friend has no other opportunity, only one opportunity. Actually, in the entire city, 400 developer jobs are there. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 400 developer jobs are there, but he has only one opportunity in this city. Okay, I have one more friend, tester. He has very good testing SQL skill and Unix skill. Everything is there. My friend applied for a position in Company A because 50 jobs are there, right? My friend that definitely he can get the job, but he didn't get it. He also failed. He didn't get the job. Can he apply for other companies? Is it possible for my friend to apply for other companies' jobs? Yes, right? Why he can apply? Because same skill set is expected from other companies also. Tester skill is same in any company. Testing skill is same irrespective of the company. We are not worrying about the language. What language is used in that company? We are not caring. But quantity wise, we have less jobs. Quantity wise less, but opportunities more. We have 4 opportunities. My friend has 4 opportunities in this city. If failed in one company, my friend will go to another company. Okay, so what we can say that testers have more opportunities. Then question, how many testers are there throughout USA? 375,000 testers are there as of 2007. I am not aware of current details. By this time it would be around 700K. As of 2007. Okay. How I got this information? I think I read this in one of the magazines. Software test and performance. This magazine published one article saying that there are, as per US Bureau of Labor, 350K testers are there in US as of 2007. Oh, a lot of testers are there. We are not aware, right? So, to know about what is happening in the industry, I strongly recommend to follow these kind of magazines. One interview question: what you do in our free time? Okay, interview. These kind of questions are common, right? Interview question. Normally, I write all the interview questions in the running notes. You can find them. What you do during your free time? Normally, what we do in general, we watch movies, right? In general, but one of the best answer. There are many answers are there. There is no right answer and wrong answer. One of the answer is that I refer software magazines like softwaretestpro.com, right? What is this? Okay, let me do this. Opening. Let us wait. Software test STP, software test professionals magazine. If you click on STNQM magazine, you can find many magazines, by year, 2001. There are so many magazines are there, monthly magazines. You can browse and go through them to know about what is happening in the industry. Do networking with friends and relatives. If you have what other activities you do, volunteer work, community service. These are all many people do, right? So community service, whatever you like, you can tell. Just not one thing, but in real time, I don't know how many of you are doing all those things. Okay. And another one is that I can provide you the remote lab access. From your home, you can remotely log into my lab and do the practicals on Quality Center, QTP, and Unix. You can install all the tools. I can give you the trial versions of the software, but because of some limitations like server software, because of the server's installation, you cannot be able to install on your home computer. If you are able to install, that is great. However, if you want, you can use my lab for Quality Center, QTP, Unix. This lab is available 24/7, 365 days. But at the same time, I will not give you any guarantee for lab access, because some people may shut down the lab and internet issues will be there. Because that's the reason I won't give any guarantee. No, it's not a right. I cannot give you any guarantee, but in general, lab is available at least 80%. 80% of the time, I am saying that 24/7, 365 days lab, right? Out of that 80%, in general, lab is available, but no guarantee about the lab. Okay, so if you want to install the software on your computer, I can give you the links for the latest software. HP-ALM Quality Center, you can be able to download from this location, and you need to have Microsoft Server 2008 operating system to install Quality Center tool. You need to buy this software also, right? Server operating system, and QTP you can download from here and you can install. Windows XP is not supported. Vista and Windows 7 is fine. Windows 8 also okay. LoadRunner you can download and from this location. Trial versions works only 30 days. 1 month, after 1 month they won't work. Okay, your homework for you is that please go through this softwareqatest.com and action item: register as a student to access the videos and materials. I already explained you this procedure about how to register and how to log in. The procedure is explained to you. The links are given here. This is your action item. Now wait for a few hours to log into the class. Okay, what job titles you can apply? Many job titles are there: test engineer, QA engineer, software tester, functionality tester, black box functionality tester, QA tester, QA test engineer, QA analyst, test analyst. Many job titles are there. We will discuss all these things. What is the difference between these job titles? We will discuss in our future classes. For automation testing also, you can be able to apply. And these are all the job titles: automation tester, QA tester, QTP automation tester, Selenium automation tester. These are all the job titles. What is a performance tester, load runner tester, non-functionality tester. These are all some of the job titles. Mobile tester, web services tester, backend tester, ETL tester, data warehouse tester, SAP tester. These are all not in scope. The red color items, I am showing you red color job titles, right? Those are all not out of scope in this class. I know that a couple of you guys are logging off and log on. Maybe due to, I am not sure why it is happening. However, you need not worry, because this class is being recorded. I will send you a recorded video. You can play back the recorded video. And if you have any queries, you can call me tomorrow, after playing the recorded video. Okay, now let us start the actual subject. Till now we have discussed about the orientation only. Let us talk about what is meant by testing. Comparison of expected result and actual result is nothing but testing. Just compare what you are expecting and what actual result you are getting. If both are same, if expected result and actual result are same, we say that test is passed. Otherwise, test is failed. Okay, let us do one simple practical, the easiest one. I am opening calculator here. 1 plus 2. What is the expected result? 1 plus 2. If I click equal to, how much we are expecting? 3, right? Okay, great. Thank you for responding. We are expecting 3. Okay. With what? This kind of test data. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we are supplying to the front end. This is GUI, graphical user interface. This is the front end. That means whatever you are interfacing means whatever the screen you are using, that is the interface. That is also called the front end. To this front end you supplied test data. 1 and 2 is your input. My input is 1 and 2. For this input you are expecting 3 as the output. Who will give you 3? Software. You are expecting 3 from the software. You are expecting number 3 from the software. Okay. Let me click on equal to. Okay. Let us see what we get. Oh, I got 3. Here 3 is the actual result. Software gave me number 3. Okay. This 3 is the actual result. So expected result. Where is the expected result? Expected result is in my mind. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, how much I should expect? 3, right? Currently, I did not put on a paper. Expected result is in my mind. Actually, you have to write that on a paper. That means Excel sheet. In your company, you need to write that expected result in Excel sheet or tool like Quality Center. We will be doing all those practicals down the line. How to write expected result, actual results on a paper or in a tool or in Excel sheet. We will do those practicals. So what is testing? Comparison of expected result and actual result. If expected result equal to actual result, I say that my test is passed. Otherwise, test is failed. That is testing. Very simple, right? It looks like simple. First day, right? That's why it looks like simple. But down the line, you feel difficulty. Don't worry. There is expected behavior. What is expected behavior? Your course, you feel that it's difficult. I'm not discouraging you guys. I wanted to tell you the fact about the course and intensity, to what level you need to study. Again, it's not a rocket science. It is doable. It is very easy to do. At the same time, don't don't consider your friends and relatives' comments about saying that testing course is easy, and if you based on those comments, if you join the course, that is not the right expectation. Okay. So let me give you one more example. GoToMeeting software. We are using GoToMeeting. We are all in GoToMeeting software, right? In GoToMeeting software, marker is there. Pen, whiteboard on the screen. The trainer can be able to write with the help of a pen. Okay. If trainer picks pink pen, pink color should appear on the screen. The functionality, the feature in GoToMeeting is that pen, drawing pen, drawing tools. Drawing tools feature is available. That is the expectation of the GoToMeeting software requirement. The requirement of the GoToMeeting software is that drawing tools should be available, and the trainer can be able to change the color of the pen anytime. For example, a trainer picks a blue color pen, that should appear in blue color. So that is the expectation. What is the actual result? Yeah, same. Oh, same. You see, same as expectation. Trainer is able to change the color. Trainer is able to erase the drawings. You know, if trainer clicks on erase drawings, those things should disappear. Is it happening? Yes, happening. So that means the test is passed. Assume that you are a tester in GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting, who developed the GoToMeeting software? You know, now down the line you should need to think about these kind of things. Who is the developer for what company developed GoToMeeting? Is it a popular software? You know, these kind of questions you need to think. You know, GoToMeeting is a software service provided by Citrix company. Citrix is a great company. You know, Citrix company softwares are used by almost all companies throughout the world. Citrix is an excellent remote desktop company. Okay, remote screen sharing or screen sharing can be possible with the help of Citrix software. So GoToMeeting software is provided with Citrix. Now they are offering this service as under SaaS. What is meant by SaaS? Software as a service. GoToMeeting software as a service provided by Citrix. What is meant by service? You know, service means pay and get, right? If I pay some money to go to a Citrix company, they will allow me to use this software. That is the meaning of SaaS, software as a service. In job descriptions, it may mention like this: we are looking for a tester who has experience on SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. Have you ever worked on this kind of software? GoToMeeting software. GoToMeeting is a SaaS. GoToMeeting is under SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. On demand, I can be able to start this service. I can use this GoToMeeting meeting. Trainer can be able to start meeting by using this software. If I have any problem, or the participants, course participants or the meeting participants has any problem, we can call CSR, Customer Service Representative. Why CSR why CSR is supporting us? Because I am paying money. It is our right to ask for service. Due to technical difficulties, if you are not able to log in, call CSR. They will help you. Okay, do you have any experience with SaaS? Yes. You see, currently we are using the software. That means we are testing it one way. You know, some of you guys are using telephone to dial to conference number, right? So, couple of you guys are using telephone to hear the audio. Some of you guys are using headset. How it is working? You know, actually I am using telephone. Madhu is using telephone, but how this is integrated? How this telephone call is integrated with GoToMeeting? You know, we as a tester, we need to test this audio feature. Is this audio feature is working great? Yes, it is working great for us now. We are using this as a user. That means a kind of user acceptance testing we are doing now. User acceptance testing means as a customer at the user level, are you facing any issues? User acceptance testing means just before accepting the software into production, user will do one last round of testing. You know, we will discuss more about what is meant by user acceptance testing in our future classes. Just I am trying to tell you is that, treat everything as an opportunity here to get hands-on experience. Okay, chat message. Is it working? Great. Yes, it is working. Assume that chat feature, chat functionality, instant messaging functionality. Is it working great? Yes, it is working great. Audio feature, audio functionality or audio software is working great. After integration of the audio software, is it working great? Yes. Excellent. It is working good. What about video? Video feature or recording feature? Yes. Recording, currently I am recording now. I will send you a recorded video, right, tonight. Is that the recording feature is working great? Yes, it is working great. As a user, I am certifying that it is working great. But in real time, at your workplace, you will be doing the same kind of things. As a tester, you will be doing those things, but as I said, testing is not easy. There are a lot of complexities are there. We will discuss those things down the line. Okay? Compared software coding or programming, testing is easy. Okay, here I have one sentence. The requirement is like this. Mary has a little lamb. This sentence, Mary has a little lamb, is a sentence, right? How many ways we can test it? How many test cases we can write for above statement? What will test it in this one? Okay, just go through this answer for a couple of seconds. Here what we observe is that every letter is important for us, right? Mary has a little lamb or more than one? Mary has one lamb or more than one? We don't know. We need to verify that. See, every letter, every word, every sentence is important as a tester. So that means you should have very good fault finding mentality. Are you a good fault finder? Do you say that, hey, that is not good, this is not good, this kind of things, if you criticize, or you have that kind of criticizing mentality? If yes, you are a good tester. Is lamb, as Azab is saying that Mary has a little lamb or not? Yeah, verify it is a little or not. A small, that means small lamb or big lamb, Is it a young lamb, young one or a old one? I think this is a duplicate. Okay. Citrix developed GoToMeeting, right? Remote desktop connections. In addition to that, we have one more software, TeamViewer. TeamViewer is also used for desktop connections. In our classes, we will use TeamViewer for lab access. I will explain you in our future classes about how to access the lab from your home, how to connect to my computer and do the practicals. I will explain you. And tomorrow's date is June 6th, right? June 6th, we will discuss more subject, like black box functionality testing, black box testing. Many things we will discuss from tomorrow. Okay, guys, now you can ask me any general questions. If you feel that it is this question is valid to ask in the class, now you can ask me questions. Any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions? You can ask me now. I can unmute your mic also. How difficult is SQL to learn? It is easy, guys. We will not be writing the complex queries. It's around 20 hours course is enough. You can do self-learning also. There is no substitution for self-learning. Please note that, self-learning also you can be able to do SQL. But, if you have trainer, you can be able to reduce the time. Learning time you can drastically reduce. That is the only advantage. Question from me. To Selenium needs core Java. Yes, you are right. Core Java proficiency is required if you wanted to work on Selenium automation. I request all of you guys to send the questions to everybody. If you ask the questions only me, I cannot be able to answer. I request you guys to please select everyone in the chat message. I won't reply. If you say that it is a private message, I won't reply. The reason is that if I answer your query, other people will not understand. Question from me: do you suggest to iterate Java and SQL separately, even if only self-learning? It's a good question. SQL, yes, I say that it is mandatory. Java is not compulsory. Why Java? Do you want to sit as a Selenium tester? What is your goal? Just think about this. Your goal is a manual tester or a Selenium tester or QTP tester? If it is a manual tester, forget about Java, not required. Okay, any other questions? Okay, guys, no problem. If you have any queries, you can call me tomorrow anytime. These are all my phone number. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, weekend also you can call me. It's not an issue. Okay, great. Thank you very much, guys, and good night. And let us meet at 8:45 tomorrow. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye.